Here's what you should expect when we come to your home. First, professionalism. The service technician or home comfort specialist should arrive on time, should look professional, and be courteous. If a service technician is coming to repair your system, you should expect a complete diagnostic or checkup of your system. If a home comfort specialist is coming to your home to give you an estimate on a new heating and air conditioning system, you should expect a complete survey of your current system. 3. You should expect the professionals who come to your home to ask about any problems you're experiencing with your equipment, as well as any family health issues such as asthma or allergies. You should expect a clear, written presentation of the solution. Our job is to educate you so that you can make an informed decision. You should expect to hear about the products that can save you money, be more comfortable in your home, and help extend the life of your heating and air conditioning system. You should expect our company to build a long-lasting relationship and become part of the team of people that help you manage your home environment. Call us. We look forward to earning your trust and exceeding your expectations.